Hey guys, in this DIY video, we're gonna be adding some carbon fiber to my BMW 335i. This is gonna apply to a lot of BMW models. It's a very nice, inexpensive way just to add it, and it's an easy DIY that anybody can do. Let's go ahead and get this video started. All right, so what we're gonna do, go ahead and pull this all the way up, and we're going to take a trim tool here, and we have to go around the boot. Start popping that up. It's going to come out just like this. All right, once we have the boot removed here, so the boot is still on the handle itself, but it's removed from the center console. So make sure all clips are out. So you're gonna want to use some force to get this off. This has like kind of clips inside, I guess to say. It really hooks on to the emergency brake itself. The button stays there, but this actually will slide off. It is difficult to remove if you haven't, I guess, more so removed it before. Here we go. So whatever you want to do as far as your method, either you want to hold in the button and then pull off, or not, whichever. But I'm gonna pull the button here. There we go. So what it does is that it holds onto these little clip things here. So you can push in the button if you want or not, it doesn't matter, but it kind of just hooks onto here. That's why it's a little difficult to slide off. I'm gonna take it to the back of the car so that way we can put the new handle on. But all the German engineering is held up by a zip tie. So we're gonna do it in the same way. So your large part in your zip tie will go right here. And this is the bottom part, so where it goes around. Swap out the boot from the stock one and handle off to the new carbon fiber one through coloradon5x.com. Now they also include 2 zip ties. You just need one, but just in case you mess up and you want to redo it or change the, the boot itself kind of thing, and you need to remove it and do it again, but you're supplied with 2, so at least you have that. So just with it all the way out like this, we're just gonna go ahead and snip it off here. And then slide off the stock one. Now we're gonna take the carbon fiber one, we do the same thing, slide up the same route. Get it started. It's going to follow the same path. So make sure you have it all the way pulled out correctly. Just like that. Okay, once it's tight, cut off the excess on the boot. All right, you could pull it through if you want to check it out, see how it's looking. All right, looks good, just like that. Just a matter of sliding it back on in. Okay. And then getting these clips started. Make sure that's good. And then just a matter of snapping everything back in. There we go. So great overall fit. You want to make sure this thing is pulled down as far as possible. There you go. A nice little carbon fiber touch to add to your BMW. Well guys, there you have it today. The very simple DIY on taking out your stock one, as far as that's on your emergency brake, and upgrading it to a carbon fiber one. So I bought the carbon fiber one through coloradon5x.com. I'll drop their link in the description box below. It's a great, nice interior mod, you know, just to refresh it. And it's the simplest DIY that you'll ever do. Big thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other DIY videos and other informational videos I have here on the channel, as far as the playlist I have for the BMW series. Thanks guys, and hope you have a great start to your weekend. Ciao, the next time. Take care.